Hi there. Today I'm going to make a nice little dip for a snack. It's called Green Goddess Dip, and it's made with one of my new favorite blends of spice. It's called Green Goddess Seasoning. I bought this at Sam's Club, and I can't stop finding great uses to use it. It's such a nice blend. It has in it garlic, onion, parsley, chives, and a kick of citrus with also a little black pepper. So we're going to start with, so simple this recipe, it's actually on the container. So it's a Green Goddess dip. I'm going to use a cup of mayonnaise, you got company coming like we do in about a half an hour. This is an easy dip to make. And then a cup of sour cream. Easy to remember the ingredients. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of this delicious Green Goddess dip. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of this delicious Green Goddess blend. You can smell it when you're pouring it out. What I like about it is it's got that nice fresh green parsley in there, and it makes it nutritious as well as delicious. Take a look at that. Now we're just going to blend that up, make it nice and smooth. And the idea is to let it sit for about 20 minutes to get the flavors to blend together. So we'll put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, and then when our guests come, we'll have a nice dip to serve along with a nice sandwich that Rick just made in the pressure cooker back here behind me. He made a nice pork and beans mixture, and he made a sandwich out of it. Oh gosh, delicious. Now see how nice that looks? Could you make anything quicker than that? Then I'm going to serve it with some kind of little pretzels or chips. And these are everything pretzels, pretzel thins. And people can just dip into it or put some on top of their sandwich. It's going to make a nice dressing. Even though we're going to let this sit for a while, I'm going to taste it right now. That's very good. That's it. Green Goddess dip. Thanks for watching.